Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I would like to share a little detail that I missed in two videos. Now the reason why I am saying that is because I had made two videos of these solar hook lanterns that I bought for $1.25 at the Dollar Tree, and I made two videos. I did explain them, but I missed one detail, and one of my viewers said, oh, you've done two videos and you haven't shown how to take this off, this part off. So I said, oh, I said to myself, that's true. I didn't show that. So I replied back to her and I said, well, I can make a video for Sunday, which would be today, and I'll share how to remove the top part. And she can stay tuned if she wants to see it. Anybody who wants to see it, I hope that you get something out of it if you have these lanterns. Now this one I've had at my window, so this one just lit up, but it has to be, you see, it has to be dark enough. Let's see, you saw it lit up just now. It's not dark enough in my kitchen right now. So anyway, so let me show you how you do that. So what you do is, you know what, maybe I should position the camera right onto it and turn on this light so that you can see what I'm showing you. So you'll be able to see better like that, like this. Okay, so you see the bottom here. Let me put on my glasses here. See the bottom here along the edges? Every single side has a little opening there. See it? So all that you have to do is grab it from the bottom and twist. This is all that you have to do, twist. See what I'm saying? You twist it to even put it back. See, you closed it. Open, close. All you have to do is twist. At first, if you don't really know, it's kind of hard to figure out, oh, but where does this open and what section? Because I don't think it brings instructions, but it does bring these little hooks and little stakes. But it's funny how it doesn't bring instructions on how to open that. It says everything else. The box is kind of cute. It brings everything else except telling you how to remove this. So I could see why this lady that, my viewer, she told me that she was trying to pull it off and it wouldn't, it wouldn't come off. This is what she probably was trying to do. But it's really a twist to open, twist to close. That is all very simple. You see right now? Can you see the light? But it has to be in the dark because I've had it at my window, and it does light up. You can see it. So I have 5 of these. They're very cute. So I want to use them in future creations. So I hope that you stay tuned. And thank you so much for watching.